Is the guideline video on how you can make your AI content generation. First of all, as you all agreed, you need to have your ChatGPT to generate the prompts, then your Gemini to generate image, and your PixVerse. Your PixVerse to generate video. So now let's create a story and generate prompts. Please follow the steps that I am doing here. Let's create a story and generate a prompt. Mind you, if you want to create a story, before heading to your ChatGPT, think of the niche or content you want to be creating. Some people do create African story, some do create horror content, some do create pet content, different type of content. So I will be teaching you guys with the normal African story content that we do see online on Facebook, YouTube, and the rest. So let's see. You will tell ChatGPT what you want. Now ChatGPT is acting as because it's an AI, so anything that you need, because everything apart from the video generating, it can give you anything that you want. So this step, just follow the way I will make it easy for you. Just follow this step the way I will put the prompt. So let's assume I want to write a story. I'll say generate a story of a girl and her wicked friend, but later ended her wicked friend. Let's assume this story now, because ChatGPT will make emphasis on the story, will generate the story for you and give you good story. Like, it's not what I actually wrote here, that it can make it will spicy up the story for you. So this is where the real job comes in, so that it will give you what you want. Now here I put bracket. This where I put bracket, this or any video that you want to create or generate, make sure you use this write-up that I'm about to put here inside this bracket. Make sure you anyone it will bring it, but depending on the time and the scene, actually, because the scene I want to use here, I want to use 6 scenes, because I want the video to be kind of episode. So per episode we have 6 scenes. So I will say, give me a picture prompt. Where necessary, and and you see voiceover prompt filming session and with scene with each scene with solid 6 scene 8 seconds 6 scene 8 seconds and this 6 scene 8 seconds with 3 episode. This is what you will give. This exactly this thing I wrote to you. Any video you want to create, the only thing that you feel like to be changing, you just change the scene, because it's not that amount of scene I want to be using that you'll be using. You can see 8 scene, you can see 10 scene, depends on how you want to use your own. You can see 8 seconds with 3 episode or 5. It depends on how you want to make your video to be spicy, but just be creative. That's what we want ChatGPT. Just think of a story. Just think of a story and just give it to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT this prompt and it will give you what you are looking for. Now close the brackets. Now this is where the magic comes in. ChatGPT will make everything easy. This is the most easiest method. Easiest. So do first of all generate the story. After generating the story, you now ask ChatGPT to generate prompt to image prompts. Then you will now be adding up video prompts by themselves, making it look scattered. It should not look organized. So here is it now. Now, here is it. The wicked friend downfall. Here is it. So, episode 1. Here is the image prompt. Here is the video prompt. And here is the voiceover. As you can see, they told me to get a plus because it has limits. So if you feel you have money, you can, because YouTube automation do pays well a lot. So yours is that you should just try and be creating something. You don't know which video that will go viral one day, so just be creative. Now here's it now. As you can see, it has given me the image prompt, video prompt, voiceover. So this is where it comes in now. First of all, you create the image. I will be using 3D animation. I will not be using realistic. I will be using 3D. So if you feel you like realistic animation, you like 3D animation, you like normal anime, so you can be using different ones. So I'll be using 3D here. I will copy the image prompt first and go to your Gemini. Then you can use ChatGPT to create the image too. So go to your Gemini, add up the prompts. Now here's generates a 3D animation image from this prompt. You can see generate a 3D animation from this font, or you can say generate a realistic animation, sorry, a realistic image from this point. So you can say generate an name, or you can say different one, different. They do see an name, they do see 2D animation, they do see 2D animation, 4D animation, cartoonic animation, realistic animation. So mine, I'll be using 3D because 3D people do like to know that 3D very well more than the realistic. So I'll be using 3D. Here is loading. Yeah, it has given us the image. So what we will do next? Remember, I told you people that it's not only it didn't give us 3D. It gave us realistic. So let's tell it again. 3D animation image from this prompt, not realistic. You are the one that is commanding them, so you tell them what you want. Because I remember I told you people that they use different apps to generate the video, different websites. They do have Gemini, they do have YouTube AI. YouTube, you can generate in YouTube. I will check the YouTube on and see if it will work. Then I will tell you how to do it here. Here is the 3D animation. As you can see, this one is way more different than this. As you can see, this is the realistic one, this is the 3D animation. So you will save it. So as I was saying, they do have Gemini app, YouTube, we have PixVerse, Hilao, different, even Grok. They do use Grok. With that Grok, you do use sign up. We use a subscription, like you put money in the app to give you what you want. Like me now, I can tell you how you can be using for free first, but the one that you can be using for free is PixVerse. But the PixVerse, you have to have like countless emails, because that email, any email you use, they will give you credit. So it's that credit you will be using, and every day they do give you 60 credits. So I have like 8 emails. So I have already used 5. So I will use the remaining 3 to generate this video, just a little part of the video, and tell you how you can edit it and stuff like that. So what we do next, we go to your PixVerse. Or let's try the YouTube and see if it will work, because YouTube do here. This is where we go. You click the plus sign button, then you go to the shorts. It's not video, shorts. Go to your shorts, add from gallery. You will see create video at the top of your YouTube. It's everywhere. It's in every YouTube. So you see it, create video, touch it, create video. Now add the image, the 3D image, then go back to your ChatGPT, the video prompt and the voiceover prompt, everything, copy it, add it. Sometimes the YouTube do malfunction, so let's see. if it will work. Okay. So I copied the image this is not it. Yeah, this is it. So let's give it a try for now. Let's see if it will work. Okay, it's working. Let's see. Sometimes it do. Please just follow this guide I am teaching you people, because it's very easy. It's not that hard. You can use YouTube. Sometimes YouTube will create videos for you, countless ones. They do have Digen app. I will drop them in the group. Different apps. So let's wait for this guys. Let's see if it will give us what we are looking for. Okay, it worked. Thank God. So let me see. I will use this one to generate the full episode of the video. Network is moving. Okay.
In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable. In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable. In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable.
That is a realistic interview. So I need to apply the 3D now. Is it 3D? You can tell the YouTube or PixVerse or anything, because the AI now is saying what the voiceover background are saying, background voiceover are saying. So you can see, don't make character see anything, then put your quotes, bracket, close it, and then let's try this time and see. Mind you, the YouTube also take time more than the PixVerse, so let's see. Okay, it works.
In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable.
As you can see,
in a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable. In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable. In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable. In In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi.
What is this thing you're saying?
In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable. In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi. Everyone believed they were inseparable. In a peaceful village lived Amara and her friend Ngozi.
Oh, I have to save it. Oh, let me save it. Draft and see. So now let's move to the next one. Let's create the scene tool. Let's create the scene tool. Let's 3D animation. Please mind you, you do spend time to create, so don't be in haste. Don't be in haste. So you spend time. Downloading full size. Okay, it has downloaded. So now let's create the second video. Let's create the second video. Remember here. So it's an AI, so you tell it what you want. You are the one that will decide for. You are the one that will decide for it, not. So let's wait and see. I just pray that this YouTube generates this whole video for us. So because the PixVerse, I don't have enough points in it. Let's pray that it generates the video, everything for us. So let's wait and see. It did not work. This is the problem of YouTube. As I did not like using YouTube. I prefer using the PixVerse because YouTube can work for you one time. Sometimes it can work fluently. Sometimes it misbehave. So let's go to our PixVerse. Let's use our PixVerse. Let's just use PixVerse. And this PixVerse generates on time. As you can see, I don't have enough coin enough. Yeah, I have 20, but it requires 25 to create, so I'm logging to another Gmail. Gmail.
Was praised.
The difference now is that YouTube,
But deep inside, Ngozi's heart was filled with jealousy whenever Amara was praised.
News voice for the background voiceover.
But deep inside, Ngozi's heart was filled with jealousy whenever Amara was praised.
Generate a voiceover. You can use this.
But deep inside,
just this.
Ngozi's heart was filled with jealousy whenever Amara was praised.
You need to go any other app and be kind of editing.
But deep inside, Ngozi's heart was filled with jealousy whenever Amara was praised.
An image, you can see Gemini and.
But deep inside, Ngozi's heart was filled with jealousy whenever Amara was praised.
This with an image prompt and a voice.
But deep inside, Ngozi's heart was filled with jealousy whenever Amara was praised.
If you know that it's just image
but deep
and voiceover prompt that you want to be doing, just go there, see, tell ChatGPT the story, then see, give me an image